Oh, I just finished assembling my shipper, and this is the tank, and here is the tank, and here is where you put the oil. It's two different systems. So here is the oil and here is the gas. Okay, so I wrote here oil 10-30, and gas, you buy the gas 91 for keep your machine in shape. So the machine come with this bag in the case if you want to keep your, it's a big bag, look, it's very big bag. Let me position here. Okay, and here is where you put yours wood, your sticks, and so this keep protect yourself with Uzi glasses if you can. It's a very good machine, very good. Here is the brakes. Put it here. But here is the brake, and if you want to walk with her, you take the brakes out. So this is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful machine. We are living in the country. We spend so much money every time that we need a shipper, and this is a good size. This shipper is very good size, so I'm buying for my house. You can see here that is very beautiful. And here you can use these sticks that is more bigger. Here you put the branches. I think the size is perfect. Look, and I really like this company. Is very good company. I highly recommend use this shipper. I still not to try use, but I will show you when I start it. Put the sticks here and work with her. Very good engine. Everything looks perfect. I think it's a good for your house if you have a, even the country like we live here, like have a lot to do, so it will help me a lot.